Welcome to our channel, where we'll guide you through the simple process of setting up your Google Ads account effortlessly. Welcome to our channel, where I'll walk you through the entire process of creating a Google Ads account in simple steps. First, start by navigating to the Google Ads homepage. Here, you'll see a clear option to Start Now. Click that button to begin. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in with your existing Google account or create a new one if you don't already have an account. After signing in, Google Ads will ask about your main advertising goal, such as getting more calls, website visits, or physical store visits. Choose the goal that matches your needs, but if you're unsure, you can select the option to create a campaign without a goal. Once you have your goal set, it's time to enter your business information, including your website and geographic areas where you want your ads to appear. Then, you'll create your first ad by writing compelling headlines and descriptions that capture attention and clearly communicate your value proposition. Setting your budget follows, where you decide how much you want to spend daily on your advertising campaign. Google will then review these details and guide you through setting up billing by entering your payment information, ensuring everything is ready to go. Finally, after reviewing your ad and account settings, submit your campaign for approval. Google Ads typically reviews campaigns quickly, and once approved, your ads will start running, bringing traffic to your business. This step-by-step approach removes the complexity and makes getting started with Google Ads accessible for everyone. Remember, take your time to optimize your ads based on performance and keep experimenting to improve results over time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you found this guide helpful. Your support helps us create more useful content for you.